Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to AutoFit table in Google Docs. So let's begin. First select table, right click on your mouse, distribute column, then fix size. Again step 2, apply the same process, right click on your mouse, table options, and now choose style alignment. Choose first on, then column white. Okay. For step 3, again select, choose the table border. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.